What's up everybody, I'm Yuri Goman and today we will completely destroy common misconceptions about the business analyst role. Do you think you know everything about this job? I double dare you to check. Some people think that being a business analyst is as easy as a day at the beach. You know, just chill, attend a couple of meetings, take some notes and you are done. If you think it like this, you couldn't be more wrong. Business analyst is really challenging role that requires a diverse skill set. Imagine juggling multiple projects, each with its own set of complicated requirements and tight deadlines. Business analysts must dive deep into data, understand complex business processes and foresee potential issues far before they become problems. They also need to manage stakeholder expectations, which is no small feat because it's, working with people. All this requires not just technical skills but also emotional intelligence, strategic thinking and exceptional problem-solving abilities. So far from being easy, business analysis is a demanding yet fulfilling job. Here's a myth about what do business analysts do. Some say business analysts spend all their time writing documents or taking notes. While documentation is important, like creating requirement specifications, mapping user stories, or creating process maps, it's far from the whole job. Business analysts facilitate meetings, conduct market analysis, and model business processes. They also engage with stakeholders a lot to gain insights and ensure that everyone's aligned on project goals. Business analysts dig deep to understand the underlying needs and ensure that solutions being developed truly add value. They also play a key role in change management, helping organizations to adapt new systems or processes. So yes, they do write documents, but this is just a teeny tiny aspect of many. Here is common career myth. Business analysis is just the first step to becoming a project manager. Climb the ladder and presto, you moved up. But hold on a second. While both roles are essential in project environments, they are fundamentally different career paths with different skill sets. Business analysts focus on understanding business needs, eliciting requirements, and proposing solutions. Project managers, on the other hand, are responsible for planning, executing and closing projects. They manage timelines, budgets and teams while business analysts manage scope and priorities. Neither role is the stepping stone to the other. They are parallel paths that sometimes intersect. Some professionals may transition between the two roles, but it's not a vertical move. It's more about where your heart lies and where your skills and interests align. So if you're a business analyst, you really don't have to become a project manager to advance your career or vice versa. There are plenty of growth opportunities within business analysis and project management themselves. By the way, if you didn't know, I'm doing a lot of career videos on business analysis, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications about new releases. Another career myth is that business analysis and business analytics are the same. Well, it's easy to get confused because they sound the same. But despite the similar names, they are quite different. Business analysis is about identifying business needs and determining solutions to business problems. It involves working closely with stakeholders to get requirements from them, model them, and then define the solution, often before any data analysis begins. Business analytics, on the other hand, focuses on analyzing data to generate insights that inform business decisions. This involves statistical analysis, predictive modeling, and data visualization, of course. So while business analysts might use the data as one of their tools, business analytics professionals specialize in diving deep into data sets to find patterns and trends. Think of it this way. Business analysts define the questions that need to be answered, and business analytics provide data-driven answers to those questions. By the way, if you want to learn more about differences of these two jobs I just spoke, you may want to check this video. Some people say that business analysts don't need technical skills at all. Well, yes and no, as it depends a lot on the career stage and industry business analysts work in. Let's talk about IT, for example. While business analysts don't need to code, understanding the technical aspects help them communicate effectively with the development team. Business analysts really need to grasp how systems interact, how data flows, and possibly some basics of software architecture. This ensures that the solutions business analysts propose are feasible and aligned with technological capabilities. The same goes for other industries where knowing technical details expedites the process. Technical knowledge empowers business analysts to be more effective and bridge the gap between the business needs and technical implementation. There is a belief that only large, complex projects need business analysis, so if you're a small business or working on a smaller project, you can skip it. Right? Wrong. No matter the size of the project or organization, business analysis adds value. For small projects, a business analyst can help clarify objectives, streamline processes, and ensure that resources are used effectively. In small businesses where roles are often fluid, having someone skilled in business analysis can make a significant impact on making strategic decisions that drive growth. Skipping business analysis just because a project is small can lead to misunderstanding, scope creep, and solutions that don't fully meet business needs. So regardless of project size, business analysis is not just beneficial, it is really essential. And there you have it. Crazy misconceptions about business analysis officially debunked. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If after watching this video you thought about becoming a business analyst yourself, you might want to learn more about this role or even grab a guide how to become one.